Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm in Bangkok, right now at Ashok BTS. Today we are going on a mission. First of all, I will show you around. Here you have Terminal 21 with a very nice food court. And on this way you have Nana at Soi 4. But here, if you want to have fun with some cute girls and have some drinks, you have Soi Cowboy. And at the opposite there, you will get to Galaxy Park if you like to relax or make some sport. So my mission is to get a suit custom made, but not just any suit. I'm talking about Godfather Part II style. Niro in vintage mafia mode. You feel me? So I found this tailor shop with great reviews online. It's called Galaxy Tailor. Just around the corner in Sukhumvit Soi 18. Let's check it out. Galaxy Tailor. Let's step in and see if we are ready for this challenge. Sawadee krap.
Sawadee krap.
How are you, everybody?
Yeah, good sir. Please have a seat, boss.
Thank you. Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Kopun krap.
Cool beer for you.
Can you make something close to that?
Yes, we can do exactly. But this one is a bit too old-fashioned. So I make it a little bit new style and update it 2025.
This is from the 40s.
Yes.
Oh.
So
Okay.
I make it a little bit much better than this one.
Okay, so you have the same kind of color and
Yes,
style?
I'll show you. This one,
I think it's too dark.
too dark.
Too dark.
Here. How about this one?
Okay. This is much
Yes.
better, yeah? Yeah, it looks
better.
like the same. Yeah, that's cool.
It's a cashmere wool.
Cashmere wool?
80% wool,
Okay.
20% silk.
So this is all lining, right? I can choose from this. What do you recommend from this style?
This is nice, flashy.
Yes. Oh, this is a little bit psychedelic, like I'm on drugs, you know? Maybe something more... Okay, so I think I will go for this one.
All right.
This one,
Let's
this one.
choose this one. I'll
Yes.
put it there.
Yes.
Okay, so let's choose the shirt. Like this one. This is nice.
Ah, this one. Yeah, interesting.
Light gray.
Oh, what is the name of this color?
That's cream.
Cream, okay.
Yeah.
Crème, la crème des crèmes. It's French. Okay, I think we'll go for this one.
This one.
Very funny, this one. This one.
That one, yeah, that's nice. So
Yeah.
I have one more. Let
Uh-huh.
me show you. This is much better. Let's put it. like
Brighter.
this. Yeah.
Okay.
That's nice.
They're taking all my measurements. Didn't know I have so many parts to measure.
Waistline. Also.
I will make it a slim fit.
Okay. Waistline.
I like it tight.
But you can with the collar you can use hanging, the wasting money, right?
Okay.
So better with a normal waistcoat you can use as a sometimes jeans. You go dinner, you go party, sometimes
Okay.
at the bar.
For everywhere,
Yeah,
yeah?
everywhere.
Okay,
It's easy,
cool,
much
cool.
better. Yeah, okay. Jacket, 2-button, double breasted, and the 2 pocket in the front, 2 in the back for trouser. Shirt, no pocket, and just a normal button.
There's no space, right?
No, no space. Together. Greg is my first name, and
Okay.
Expro Actor is the my name, my brand name.
Okay.
Okay. Mafia.
Okay. So we see you tomorrow for the fitting.
Perfect. Here we go at the factory.
Hello.
Sawadee krap, everybody.
Yeah.
Oh, you're here already. Here the boss, Jay,
Factory manager.
factory manager. This is where the magic happens, guys. Real craftsmanship. You don't get this in malls. So this is for the jackets.
That's the size.
So this is not my name, huh? This is not mine, but you get an idea of how they do it. That's great because it makes your suit unique. Fitting time, my friend. Look at that. Pretty good fit. Pretty good fit already.
I'll check the length a little bit.
Get looser.
Actually, I think the fit is perfect. You
This
know,
the
because
this is the length. This is the actual length.
yeah,
Not
it's
this one.
it's perfect. I like the. It fits perfectly because before I made a mistake to make it too tight, and then I cannot sit, or you know, I don't feel so comfortable. So this is like really perfect for the pants. Nothing to do. Perfect. Oh, this is my beautiful jacket. Let's wear it now.
Okay. Looks amazing.
Pocket square is built in. So now we have to choose the tie.
Yeah, let's choose the ties. What match the best? I think something brown, vintage. This one.
Yeah. This one's nice.
Oh, and I forget, guys. Here's my signature. Greg Explorer. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow, to get more great contents.